Dear customers, welcome to the online tutorial video of ODeX. In this video, we will be looking after the payment process for UAE. To begin, log in into your account using your designated login credentials, that is your username, your password, and then click on sign in. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, to view and pay the invoices, click on the search new invoice option. Now enter your BL number, your carrier. If there are any new invoices available for this BL, that pop-up will be displayed on your screen. Click on OK to proceed ahead. Here, enter the type as export or import. Once the information is filled in up, you can select the checkbox of the invoice. You can proceed ahead by entering the payment mode as bank transfer, selecting the deposit bank as Citibank Hapag, and then click on the pay option to proceed. A new window will open and then you can click on continue to proceed with the payment entry. On the payment confirmation page, enter your IBAN number, your unique transaction reference number provided by your bank, and attach the payment proof. These details are required when you select the submit option. It is important to ensure that the payment reference number which you generated is used while making the actual bank transfer, and the same reference number must be entered in the bank remarks or the description field during the bank transfer. Once all the information is entered correctly, you can then click on submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen once you click on the submit option. Read the note carefully and then proceed by clicking on the yes option. Once you click on yes, the details will be then submitted to the shipping line. If you want to continue later, you can proceed by clicking on the no option and save the details by clicking on save as draft. On clicking the save as draft option, a confirmation message will appear that the draft has been saved successfully. To check the status of your payment request, you can go to the track payments option. Here, enter your BL number and then click on the search option. If your request has been submitted successfully, the status will be shown as requested. If you have saved the request earlier, the status will be shown as open. For the requests which are in the open status, you can select it again and then click on the pay option and continue the process to submit it by clicking on the continue option. If you have already made the payment offline and only need to update the reference details, then select the BL and click on the update bank reference number. Then enter the updated UTR number, the IBAN number, and upload the payment receipt. Once done with the information and the attachment, click on the save option to update the payment information. Once the submission is completed, the payment status will change from open to requested. The request will then go to the shipping line for approval. If the payment reference number, IBAN number, and the amount matches the bank records, the payment will be automatically approved by the system. After verification and approval by the shipping line, the status will be displayed as payment approved in the track payment section. If required, you may also cancel the request before approval by using the cancel payment option. This concludes the complete process of making and tracking payments on ODeX. Thank you.